National Weather Service in Albuquerque has issued a flash flood warning for the Hermit's Peak and Calf Canyon burn scar in southwestern Mora County in northeastern New Mexico, northwestern San Miguel County in northeastern New Mexico until 2:30 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 11:22 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing localized heavy rain over the Hermit's Peak and Calf Canyon burn scar. Up to 0.25 inches of rain have fallen around Tierra Monte, Mineral Hill, and El Porvenir. Additional rainfall amounts up to 0.25 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will impact the Tecolote Creek and Salinas River drainage areas, including Cabo Lechero Creek, Cañon Messino, Ojitos Frios Creek, Tecolote Creek, Porvenir Canyon, Arroyo Picos, Aguas Arca, and Vegosa Creek. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in and around the Hermit's Peak and Calf Canyon burn scar. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Hermit's Peak and Calf Canyon burn scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Las Vegas, El Porvenir, Montezuma, Supale, Story Lake State Park, Tierra Monte, Gascon, Galinas, Mineral Hill, San Geronimo, Rosiana, Manolitas, San Pablo, and Ojitos Rios. This includes the following highways: State Road 94 between mile markers 1 and 11. State Road 518 between mile markers 6 and 21. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of north central San Diego County from 11:45 p.m.